work on. Obviously, if there is demand for that, this could change. Okay? So here you go. So next. So I'm always going to say the truth, guys, ok? Je dirai toujours la vérité. Ok? Donc voilà. Je dirai toujours la vérité. Et sans comment dire sans filtre. Donc truth unfiltered. Ok? La vérité sans filtre. Truth unfiltered, guys. Ok? So here you go. If you have a lot of those problems and you don't have any money, obviously we will also be able to help. So obviously I cannot help everyone right now because I don't have any money, okay? But once I get the project started, if we have enough traction, obviously we'll help you if you don't have any money. Okay? So alors, obviously you get it, huh? Some people wanna sell the cures for this shit, like, so in the US they do that to people and then they say, you see, this is what big pharma were, so this is what the Republicans were talking about when they said big pharma. Okay? So basically what they do is that they do that to people and then they say, okay, you're gonna pay so for people that have insurance, they're stuck to their job, you get it? So they have to be in that job. If they are not in the job, basically what happens is that they lose their job, they get sick, and they die. Okay? So, in France, it's not happening like that, but basically, there are some people that get cancers and shit like that, and basically, they cannot work. So they live like in a terrible state. State of being. They live in a terrible state of being at home. They cannot do anything and shit like that. And they have to be visited by a fucking nurses and shit like that. And the nurses are paid shit. Okay? So basically, the nurses, they come to people's house, they're paid a shit, they do a shitty work, and basically, the people that live that cannot do anything in the house. Do you understand the system that they created? Like, motherfucking hell. So, obviously, that's why I'm talking about all of that. Ok? Donc, là, ce que je suis en train de dire, c'est qu'en gros, vous voyez, Vous voyez ce que fait le gouvernement, genre, euh, il paye des infirmières 3 fois 6 sous. Vous voyez, les infirmières, elles passent leur journée dans plein de maisons. Elles arrivent chez les gens. Elles doivent faire des soins parfois chez les gens. Ils sont un peu démontés vous voyez, par le cancer, par tous ces trucs-là. Et puis les gens, ils ne peuvent rien faire. Enfin, vous voyez un peu le système de merde. I was at the forefront of the victims. Okay? I was the victim, so I saw that first hand. Okay, so you get it? And so you're like, they're crazy, you see. And like they fucked up they make some people, like some people cannot work again, you get it? They live at home. You see what they've created, the monsters. And it's because of fucking religious motherfucking people. Okay? Okay? So basically, it's the same. What they do is that they give a disease or something to a lot of people, and then they learn from that. What they also do is that um, um, they um, like they give a condition to people, and they see how you're going to react. You get it? So how crazy. How crazy. So, so that's why I've been talking about a clear way. Okay. And so, j'enchaîne là sur quelque chose d'important. Donc, moi, je suis contre le don d'organes. D'accord? Parce qu'en gros, ce qu'ils font, c'est que. Vous voyez, ce qu'ils font, c'est que. Bon, là, j'avais 2 timbres de voix différents, c'est toujours moi, les gens. D'accord? Que vous comprenez bien. Parce que vous voyez, ils vont dire, ouais, c'est deux personnes différentes. En gros, ils vont dire n'importe quoi pour vous induire en erreur. D'accord? Donc, ne soyez pas eu. D'accord? Euh, donc, en gros, euh, et faites attention au double narratif aussi. Euh, donc en gros, vous voyez, euh, pour le don d'organes, moi je suis contre, parce qu'en gros, moi je suis pour la culture d'organes. Culture d'organes en laboratoire, vous voyez, culture d'organes en laboratoire, le don d'organes, je suis contre. D'accord? Pourquoi? Parce que en gros, parfois, ce qu'ils faisaient, et c'est la vérité, les gens, ce qu'ils faisaient, c'est que ils créaient un crash, d'accord? Et ensuite, ils récupéraient l'organe des gens qui avaient craché. D'accord? Donc ils faisaient cracher des jeunes, et ensuite ils récupéraient leurs organes. D'accord les gens? So what they sometimes did with with um, with organ donation. So in France, I don't know in the US if it's like that. Basically, what they did is that they made people crash, and then they just took their organs. Okay? And basically, they made people believe that it was for a good cause. So basically, people were saying on an internet website that they wanted to give their organs, and then what they did is that they created fake crashes where people died, and then they took their organs. Okay? So here you go, guys. So if you don't believe me, I mean, at one point, I was in the car did this like this. Okay? So also, sometimes I do moves like this, you see? So last time I was with the doctor, so he was like that, okay? And at one point he made a move like that. Okay? Okay, guys? So you're gonna say to me, Gauthier, maybe so people, the government was doing that to bad people. I don't know. If political divides become too important, in the US they started doing that to political enemies. You get it? Donc aux US ils ont commencé à faire ça à des ennemis politiques. Ok? Donc c'est pour ça que je remets la vérité dans les choses. You see how religious people in the government do the worst shit ever. So here you go. Et vous voyez, so me, I'm always at the, like, I don't act at all. Okay? I just do things as I feel them, as so obviously if they make me sleep or make me not want something and I want to work on that, really, like I work on that. Okay? But basically I will not fake emotional things just to basically you get it, make you emotional so you like me more. Yeah, I will never do that. I've never done that. Okay? Absolutely never. Okay? What I'm forcing is sometimes a work because they make me sleep like that. So sometimes I'm working and they make me sleep like that. So sometimes I'm like, okay, I'm going to try to work harder. This is the only thing I'm forcing. Ok? Donc là, ce que je disais, c'est que la seule chose que je force, je ne forcerai jamais des émotions. D'accord? Je n'ai jamais fait ça. La seule chose que je force, c'est en gros quand je dois travailler et qu'ils me font dormir d'un coup, vous voyez? Là, je force un peu. Ok?